Hey there, I'm here today to share with you how you can earn money from Instagram. If you're someone who loves to post photos and videos on social media, you might want to consider turning your Instagram page into a side hustle. Here's how it works. 1. Follow these steps. A. Create an Instagram account. B. Start following the people who are in the same niche as you. This could be fashion, food, travel, or anything else you're passionate about. C. Start taking and sharing photos and videos. D. Promote your content on your page, tag your followers in photos, use relevant hashtags, and don't forget to mention people you think might be interested in your niche. 2. Monetize your account. There are several ways to make money from your Instagram page. A. Affiliate marketing. Partner with companies in your niche and promote their products through your photos and videos. B. Organic marketing. Create sponsored posts where you will be paid to showcase a product. C. Create an e-commerce store. If you have a physical product, you can sell it through your Instagram page. D. Monetize through YouTube. If you have a video on your page, you can monetize it by offering ads or selling your video on platforms like eBay. 3. Create a consistent posting schedule. The more consistent you are with your posting, the more likely people are to engage with your content. Aim to post at least once a day, or even better, create a schedule and stick to it. 4. Network and collaborate. Connect with other influencers and businesses in your niche to collaborate and promote each other's content. This can help you reach a wider audience and potentially earn more money. 5. Finally, remember to be patient and consistent. Building a successful Instagram page takes time, and it's important not to get discouraged. Keep creating content and promoting your page, and you'll eventually see results. So, there you have it, 5 simple steps to start earning money from your Instagram page. I hope this information has been helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.